From raw bamboo to functional design, the art of bamboo furniture making reflects both tradition and innovation. It all starts with selecting mature bamboo, known for its strength and flexibility. Each pole is measured, cut, and heat-treated to ensure durability and resistance to cracking. For the traditional bamboo table, artisans align and bind each segment by hand, using age-old weaving techniques. The joints are secured without nails, relying instead on precise fitting and natural tension. In contrast, the folding bamboo table showcases modern ingenuity. Custom hinges are installed, and each panel is shaped to fold flat with ease while maintaining stability when extended. After assembly, the surfaces are polished, edges rounded, and natural bamboo grain revealed through a light protective finish. The result is furniture that is not only sustainable but also beautiful and practical. Whether fixed or foldable, each table tells a story of craftsmanship, where nature meets purpose in every detail.